So how to choose affiliate products or affiliate companies. This is video 2 of my series, and today that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how you pick products, where you can pick them from, my recommendations, the different types of products that you can promote. This is a key step because obviously this is the products you're going to be making money on. You've got to promote these products, and there's a right way to do it and a wrong way to do it. So let's jump over now, and let's go and have a look. So choosing product. So there's different ways to do this, but first off, you've got to start by choosing your niche. So, I'm sure you've all heard of niching down and all this sort of stuff in business, and the keys really is finding a very, very small niche and drilling down on that. But the three big niches: health, wealth, relationships. There's the three that you're going to look at jumping into. So health, if you're into fitness, you want to promote, get fit products. It can be health related, supplements. There's a whole host of things in the health sector that you can go and focus on. Wealth, again, there you've got forex trading. You've got stuff like this, affiliate marketing programs. There's ways to earn money through selling different products or selling your skills. All of this stuff you can drill down into, and you can promote affiliate products in there. And then relationships, that's an obvious one. There's a lot of programs out there, a lot of courses, a lot of books, all this sort of stuff that you can become affiliates for, even in the relationship niche. Now, some of the products that you promote may come across one or two or maybe even three of those niches, but what you always do is focus on one. If you try and promote into both, if it covers two niches, so say it could be health and wealth or health and relationships, it could be covering. If you try and promote into two, you're destined to fail. So you have to choose your niche, and then from that you're going to drill down a bit further. So you could if you're looking into health, like I said, it could be fitness programs. You could be promoting gyms, like local gyms. You could be promoting food supplements or health supplements, all that sort of stuff. So again, you've got to drill down a bit further and find the products that you want to promote within that. Then the next step is all about quality. Like I said in the previous video, this is such an important part, and you can get it seriously wrong here because there, a lot of programs out there. I've been in them myself. I've gone through so-called gurus and lost money in different programs where they tell you to just jump on Clickbank, and if you don't know what Clickbank is, I'm going to talk about that shortly, so don't worry. Jump on Clickbank and go and grab an affiliate link and just start promoting. When you don't know anything about the product, you don't know if it's a good quality product, you don't know if it's solving your potential customers' problems, it's a terrible way to market, and all that's going to do is tarnish your reputation, and you'll end up, you may make a quick couple of sales, who knows, you might get lucky, and then everything will fall off a cliff, and you're never going to get successful. You're never going to become successful doing that. So you've got to make sure the products are of high quality, they're good quality products, they're actually solving problems for people, and they're doing what they're advertising, what they're marketing that they are supposed to do. You have to do that, and the best way to do that, guys, like in all honesty, is to get your credit card out your pocket, go and pay for the product and test it yourself. If it's a training program, go and consume the entire thing. Go and make sure that it's helped you. I mean, essentially, you're growing a business, so why not invest into a program that's going to help you grow that business? You can go right the way through that program, and you know what's good in it, what's bad, who it's going to help, and you can really drill down on who you're going to target with your marketing, and that's going to really help you make sales. So a very, very good step, a vital step. So the next part, digital or physical products. So I don't know if you knew this, but affiliate market's not just for digital products online. You can actually promote physical products. I'm sure you've all been onto YouTube or on a blog or something when you're looking for your new laptop or your new headphones, and you go on there and go, what's the top 10 headphones or the top 10 laptops, and you'll get directed to a blog or to a YouTube video, and you'll go and watch that video, and you'll go and look at the reviews, etc., etc. And then at the bottom, they'll have a link. If you want to go and buy this product, they'll have a link there to Amazon. And then Amazon, yes, it has an affiliate program which is called Amazon Associates, and they can, that person, then if you go onto Amazon, you go and buy that product, that person gets a commission. There are downsides of physical products. Don't get me wrong, there are people making a lot of money with Amazon affiliate associates, and there's people making a lot of money promoting physical products. There's nothing wrong with that at all. If you're into tech, then it's probably a great place to start, because you can go and do reviews. If you've got a lot of tech in your house, you can go and do some reviews on the products you've got, and then go and promote them through Amazon Associates. It's really easy. But like I said, there are some downsides to that. The commissions tend to be very low. I think 10 or 12% maximum. I'm no expert because I don't focus on physical products. But there's other things. There's a lot of competition. You've got to get a huge amount of sales to make any decent income from it. And if you're just starting out, that's going to be very, very difficult to really get that ball rolling. It might be good maybe as an extra bit on the side. So as you're growing your affiliate marketing business, you can promote the products that you might be buying for your own business. So as you grow, and if you're doing YouTube videos and you want to get a new camera, you can go and get a camera and then maybe do a review on it, stick that review up, and you might get a couple of sales from it. Who knows? But the digital products, this is where there is much better potential, I believe, and the reason is because there's the whole structure. There's a much better structure. Like I mentioned earlier, you've got places like Clickbank, which I'm going to go over and show you very shortly on the Clickbank website. But you can go and pick affiliate products in there. There's hundreds of different products for all different niches. You can go and pick products in there. You can go buy them. As I said, that's always the best way. Go and consume the product, and then you can go and promote them. Or you don't even have to buy them. You can just go and grab the links and go and start promoting it if you want. But like I said, that's not the right way to do it. I don't believe, unless you know the product or you've got someone that has it and you've been able to use it without buying it, then potentially you can do it that way. But as long as you've used the product and you can actually verify it yourself that it's actually good and it's actually going to solve some of the problem. So that's where the choices are. My recommendation with that is always to go for digital products and use the physical product side as like a little secondary revenue stream for your affiliate marketing business. So that's probably the best setup. The next point is the commission structure. This is the important bit, guys. It's where you're going to earn the money. So what you're looking for with an affiliate program is you want high commissions. As I said before, the physical products don't tend to have high commissions, so you sort of dip out there, but you're looking upwards of 50% commission is what you want. There are some programs with recurring commissions or subscription-based models. These are fantastic. I love subscription-based models because once you've got someone into the program, as long as they're happy and as long as it's solving a problem for them and they're using the software sale, the subscription, and they're getting value from it, they're going to keep paying every month, and every month you're going to keep getting commission. So you can get recurring passive income from driving one lead in at the front end. And you imagine on that build you get one lead turns to 5, turns to 10, turns to 50, and all of a sudden you've got a really nice monthly revenue coming in. Sometimes those subscriptions are a bit lower. On the commission side, you can be sort of 30 or 40% maybe. But again, there's still a great structure, and it's one of my favourite subscriptions. The next point I wanted to cover was the cookies. So when you drive someone in, so say you're potentially driving someone into a free offer with a company. So there's companies that have free offers, or they have very low ticket products, and what these are usually called, these structures are called value ladder. So you'll drive a lead in at a low price or free, and then as they progress through that company's structure, they'll be promoted other products. So they'll be promoted upsells as they go through, and if that person buys the upsell once you've driven them in at the front end, then you'll get commission for that as well. And then if they buy another product, you'll get commission again. So you'll get recurring commission, and that can even turn into subscription commission, subscription-based commissions as well within those sort of things. But what you want is something that's got a good cookie length. So, if you're driving someone in and they make a purchase, and then your sticky cookie that's associated with your affiliate link only lasts a week. If they don't buy an upsell or anything like that within a week, then you're not going to get any more commission from that lead. So, if obviously you've still got the email list that you've built, you've still got them in their email list, as I said in the previous video, that's an essential part of building your affiliate marketing business. But in that program you've driven them into, your average customer value is going to be very, very low. What you want is something that's got a lot longer, 3 months, 6 months, so that when they're driving, they're given time to be able to be put through the company's marketing structure, so that they can buy the further products later on. Then you'll look for market material. So when you're starting, when you're new, a lot of these companies, their whole market structure, they make a lot of money from having these affiliates. So they tend to have, the good ones will have a lot of market material for you. So they'll have pages created for you. They'll have maybe email templates for you for your follow-up campaigns. They'll have all the pictures and logos that you need. You'll get a lot of support. All of this stuff is key, and if you can find a company that has all of that as well, that's going to make your life much, much easier when you're trying to build out your capture pages we spoke about, your email campaigns, your bridge pages, thank you pages. All of that's going to become much, much easier if the companies give you real good quality and a vast array of marketing material. So that is a key step to picking the right product. So now we're going to jump over, as I said, I want to show you the Clickbank page, because once you get started with affiliate marketing, they are one of the big boys in the game. You're probably going to be looking into Clickbank. For me, there's other ways that you can promote products, and as you grow your business, there are tools that you need. And all of these tools are subscription-based softwares. Like I said to you before, you're going to need email autoresponder software. Excuse me. You're going to need, some sort of website or funnel building software to build your capture pages. You're going to need some tracking software. All of this is not essential to start with, but you need to do it at some stage in your business. And as you get that, you'll be able to join affiliate programs for them. And again, like I said, this is the best way to promote affiliate products, because you're actually verifying that the product is good. If you're using it and it's working for you, especially if you're new, and you'll find it very simple that you're testing out the customer support and all that sort of stuff, because it's all new to you and it's good and you're happy with it, you can ethically promote those products. It's a fantastic one. But right, let's jump over to Clickbank and we'll go and have a look. So this is Clickbank Marketplace. So this is where you're going to come when you've created an account and you want to become an affiliate. So you're going to come in here and you can see all the categories down the left hand side here. There's just a huge array of products that you can play in all sorts of different niches. You've got books, games, green products, health and fitness. It's endless, and you can look in any of these. Gardening and horticulture. I'm a keen gardener, so we're going to have a look at what gardening products I've got. Then you're going to go into this. This is all your products. So you've got the links here. So this is for the affiliate page here. You can click to promote this product. So it's saying that the average conversion is $18. That's not bad, and there's different ways that they structure it as well on how well products are selling. You can go and click on here, you can go and look at the information that they're giving you. This will all be set up for the affiliates to give you all the information that you need to get you started. So the whole platform is set up to entice you guys in to picking products, and you've got to be very careful with Clickbank because there's so many products out there. If you know a product that's on there and it's something you've used, then fantastic, because you can just go and grab the link and you can understand the pain points and what problems they're solving and whether it's a high quality product. But something like what we just looked at there, very briefly, I could go and grab a link for that in a matter of seconds, and I can start promoting that product. But I know nothing about it. All I do is you can read that affiliate page. That's going to give you probably all the information you need to be able to promote it, because it will tell you what the product is. But it's very, very simple. If you want to start like that, then it's very, very possible to do. But I never recommend that. I recommend that you just pull your wallet out, go and pay for that product, and go and consume the product, whatever it may be. Find out if it's any good, and then promote it that way. So that's the end of today. How to pick products. Tomorrow, on the next video, we're going to talk about building out your funnel. So building out the capture page, how you can do that, and I'm actually going to walk you through in the software that I use. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how easy it really is to build those pages. They look really, really good, and they're designed to get people to buy. And it's, if you're in any business, you need to be using sales funnels. The way people buy products online now has changed so much, and you need to be using sales funnels. And I'm going to talk you through how to build it, how to build them all out. I'm going to show you every step of the way. So make sure, again guys, you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the training, and I'll see you on the next video.